Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set lock screen themes on Samsung One 8.5. So let's begin. Okay guys, before start, first disable your system lock screen. Edit lock screen, tap on clock and select first adaptive clock like this. Set completely thin adaptive clock and select adapted color. Now go to colors and set complete low transparency like this, and look at this. My system lock screen clock completely hide from lock screen. Now go to Play Store and search Live Clock Wallpaper and download this app on your Galaxy device. Guys, this app download link available on description. Simply click and download. Guys, after download, simply tap and open. After open, guys, look at these many awesome preset themes on this app. Look at these many awesome preset themes with categories. Simply go to category and select any one theme. Okay, guys, I select this theme, and if you want to set this also on home screen, then you also turn on or disable home screen. Now tap on next. Look at this, I enable lock screen. Tap on next. Tap on OK, and guys, you also customize clock like this or select size like this, or if you want to reset, then simply tap on reset clock. Now simply tap on done button, tap on OK, tap on OK, and simply set this wallpaper only on lock screen. But guys, you also set home screen and lock screen in both. This time I set on lock screen. Now look at these new lock screen theme enable on my Galaxy device without any complicated steps. Okay, let me show you another theme. Tap on next. Tap on done, apply, and look at these. Your normal lock screen completely convert into awesome aesthetic lock screen with new theme. So guys, you also apply many different lock screen theme on your Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.